Welcome to the Maldives, a tropical paradise renowned for its crystal clear waters, stunning coral reefs, and luxurious overwater bungalows. This island nation, located in the Indian Ocean, is a haven for beach lovers, underwater enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a serene escape. With its breathtaking landscapes, vibrant marine life, and top-notch resorts, the Maldives offers an unforgettable experience. Join us as we explore the best places to visit in this idyllic destination. One, Male. Male, the bustling capital of the Maldives, offers a glimpse into the local culture and urban life. While it's small, Male is rich in history and features several notable attractions. Visit the Old Friday Mosque, a stunning example of traditional Maldivian architecture, and the Maldives Islamic Center, which showcases the country's Islamic heritage. Male is also home to vibrant markets and charming streets where you can experience local life. The capital provides a cultural contrast to the more remote and tranquil islands, making it an interesting stop on your Maldivian journey. 2. Mafushi. Mafushi is one of the most popular local islands, known for its beautiful beaches and affordable guest houses. It offers a more authentic Maldivian experience compared to the luxury resorts on private islands. Enjoy a day at the white sand beach, or take part in various water activities such as snorkeling, diving, and dolphin watching. Mafushi also has a range of local eateries where you can savor traditional Maldivian dishes. Its vibrant local culture and accessibility make Mafushi a great destination for travelers seeking a blend of relaxation and local interaction. 3. Degura. Degura is a picturesque island known for its long, sandy beach and relaxed atmosphere. It's also a prime location for whale shark spotting, with tours available to take you to the best spots for these gentle giants. The island has a charming village feel, with friendly locals and a slower pace of life. Explore the surrounding coral reefs, enjoy the local cuisine, and immerse yourself in the laid-back island lifestyle. Degura's natural beauty and marine life make it a must-visit for nature enthusiasts and those seeking a tranquil escape. 4. Ari Atoll. Ari Atoll is renowned for its stunning coral reefs and excellent diving opportunities. It's one of the largest atolls in the Maldives and offers a variety of marine experiences, including encounters with manta rays and whale sharks. The atoll is home to several luxury resorts, each offering unique experiences such as underwater dining and private island excursions. Whether you're diving into the vibrant underwater world or simply relaxing on the pristine beaches, Ari Atoll provides a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. 5. Ba Atoll. Ba Atoll is a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve known for its rich biodiversity and pristine marine environments. The atoll is famous for Honeyfaru Bay, a seasonal feeding ground for manta rays and whale sharks. This area is a top destination for snorkelers and divers who want to witness these magnificent creatures up close. In addition to its marine life, Ba Atoll features beautiful resorts and unspoiled islands, perfect for relaxation and exploration. The atoll's ecological significance and natural beauty make it a standout destination in the Maldives. 6. Laccadive Atoll. Laccadive Atoll is a remote and tranquil destination offering stunning natural beauty and seclusion. It's ideal for those looking to escape the more frequented areas and enjoy pristine beaches and crystal clear waters. The atoll features several luxury resorts that provide private experiences and exclusive access to some of the Maldives' most beautiful spots. Laccadive Atoll's serene environment and luxurious accommodations offer a perfect retreat for those seeking solitude and high-end relaxation. 7. Thulusdu. Thulusdu is known for its excellent surfing conditions and laid-back vibe. The island has several surf breaks, including Cokes, which is famous among surfers for its powerful waves. Thulusdu also has a charming local community and a range of budget-friendly accommodations. Beyond surfing, you can explore the island's beautiful beaches and enjoy local Maldivian cuisine. The combination of great surf and local culture makes Thulusdu a popular choice for surf enthusiasts and those seeking an authentic island experience. 8. Hulhumail. Hulhumail is an artificial island near the capital, Mail, designed to alleviate overcrowding in the city. The island features wide roads, modern infrastructure, and a range of amenities. It has beautiful beaches, including Hulhumail Beach, where you can relax and enjoy the calm waters. Hulhumail also offers various shopping and dining options, making it a convenient stop for visitors. Its blend of modern conveniences and beach access provides a unique contrast to the more traditional Maldivian islands. 9. Gulhi. Gulhi is a small and serene island known for its stunning beaches and relaxed atmosphere. It offers a more authentic Maldivian experience with its traditional village feel and friendly locals. The island's white sandy beaches and clear turquoise waters are perfect for swimming and sunbathing. Gulhi is also a great spot for snorkeling, with nearby coral reefs teeming with marine life. Its quiet charm and natural beauty make it a lovely destination for those looking to unwind and enjoy a peaceful island escape. 10. Velagandu Island. Velagandu Island is renowned for its luxurious resorts and breathtaking beauty. The island features some of the Maldives' most stunning overwater bungalows and pristine beaches. It's a popular destination for honeymooners and those seeking a high-end tropical getaway. Enjoy activities such as snorkeling, diving, and sunset cruises, or simply relax in your private villa. Velagandu Island's elegance and tranquility provide a perfect setting for a romantic and indulgent vacation. 11. Sun Siam Iaru Fushi. Sun Siam Iaru Fushi is a luxury resort located in the Nunu Atoll, known for its exceptional service and stunning surroundings. The resort offers a range of overwater and beachfront villas, each providing breathtaking views and direct access to the turquoise waters. Activities include snorkeling, diving, and spa treatments, ensuring a luxurious and relaxing experience. Sun Siam Iru. Fushi's combination of natural beauty and high-end amenities makes it a top choice for those seeking a lavish Maldivian escape. 12. Rethi Ra. Rethi Ra is a private island resort offering unparalleled luxury and seclusion. The resort features spacious villas, some of which are located over the water, providing stunning views and direct access to the lagoon. Enjoy a range of activities, including snorkeling, diving, and private island picnics. The island's pristine beaches and crystal clear waters offer a perfect backdrop for relaxation and indulgence. Rethi Ra's exclusivity and luxury make it an ideal destination for a high-end tropical getaway. 13. Kanuhura. Kanuhura is an exquisite island resort located in the Laccadive Atoll, known for its natural beauty and serene atmosphere. The resort offers luxurious villas set amidst lush tropical gardens and pristine beaches. Activities include snorkeling, kayaking, and spa treatments, allowing you to immerse yourself in the island's natural beauty. Kanuhura's focus on sustainability and its stunning environment make it a top choice for those seeking a luxurious yet eco-friendly retreat. 14. Four Seasons Resort Maldives at Landa Giravaru. Four Seasons Resort Maldives at Landa Giravaru is located in the Ba Atoll and offers a blend of luxury and natural beauty. The resort features spacious villas with private pools, stunning ocean views, and direct beach access. Enjoy a range of activities, including snorkeling, diving, and wellness treatments. The resort's focus on preserving the surrounding environment and its exceptional service make it a top destination for a luxurious and sustainable Maldivian experience. 15. Conrad Maldives Rangali Island. Conrad Maldives Rangali Island is renowned for its unique underwater restaurant and luxurious accommodations. The resort is located on two islands connected by a bridge and offers a range of overwater and beachfront villas. Dine at the Ithea Undersea Restaurant, which provides a panoramic view of the underwater world, or relax at the resort's stunning beaches. The Conrad Maldives Rangali Islands combination of luxury, innovation, and natural beauty makes it a standout destination in the Maldives. The Maldives is a paradise of unparalleled beauty and luxury, offering a range of experiences from serene beaches and vibrant marine life to world-class resorts. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a blend of both, the Maldives has something to offer.